Hello everyone, this is Ellen. In today's video, I'm going to share some simple methods for the dead lights and the IC damage in the modules. So let's start. Before operation, you need to connect all devices properly. Typically, the manufacturer will provide configuration files in a firmware package. If no firmware package is provided, it means the receiving card built-in firmware supports the module ICs, so there is no need to upgrade the firmware. Open the LDset software. Go to the hardware setup in the setting. Password admin. Check whether the firmware version is consistent with that provided by manufacturer. If they are inconsistent, you need to load the program files to upgrade the firmware. After the upgrade is completed, enter screen configuration. In the receiving interface, import the RCG files. Then send it to the receiver. The module will display normally. So, how to check the dead pieces and IC damage in the module? Here is a testing tool. Use the testing tools to switch the display color of the module. If the module has dead pixel, the dead pixel will appear black. And if there is an entire area of black lights or abnormal display, it can be judged that the IC is damaged. And if you can use the color bar test and the grid test to check the display condition of the module. You can also test the display condition of the module by unplugging the network cable of the receiving card. After unblocking the network cable, the module will be full black. Press this black button to test the module's display function. Okay, that's all for today's sharing on detecting dead LED and IC damaged. Thanks for watching, and I hope this will help with your daily operation.